So every day there's another debate about what the current state of the transaction marketplace is, and when are we going to see this big increase in volumes, because there's been this period of everybody being stalled out. And I think what you're going to see is you're going to see this rapid acceleration of transactions. And in some ways it's really easy to build a case of why a company needs to be a seller. Sometimes it's less clear why people need to be buyers today, but I think that is all coming together, and you'll see this rapid acceleration. And it happens in part because the low oil price environment has now stayed low for longer than many people believed, and the prospects look like it's going to stay low, and that will force people to make tough decisions. Bankers are weighing in. There's continued unsolicited approaches by private equity and sovereign wealth funds who want to put new money to work in the marketplace. Hedge funds and other activist shareholders are starting to put pressures on companies to free up capital, and I think all of that starts to create the conditions, along with, frankly, that companies are now coming to grips with what their future looks like under a lower price environment. And so in many boards of directors, they're looking and saying, no matter what we do on this company, it's going to be dilutive. We have pressures from our bank to get them a realization, and it's time to go see whether transactions can fit into our overall strategy to build our business. And I think that's what you're going to start to see. Now, I think one of the key things we'll see over the next few months around transactions is a continuation of what I coin as increased creativity in deal making. And in previous cycles, great innovations came to the Canadian energy business through these kind of market pressures, and I think you'll see that again. And frankly, one of the key ways in which to bridge buyer and seller expectations is through innovations, but I think that's what you'll start to see as a way to get transactions done.